Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Nelson Mandela. St. Adam's Public School, Garur Bageshwar, nurturing leaders of future, believes in shedding ignorance. Education has an impact on everything we see, we do, and believe in our world. From the basics of reading and writing to entrepreneurship and the economy, school is more than a home for academics. St. Adam's Public School emphasizes on excellence, vibrant and holistic school education. The school is committed to provide quality education, to promote intellectual, moral and cultural education. First school in Tehsil Garur, that is affiliated up to senior secondary level with Central Board of Secondary Education Delhi and recognized with ISO 9001-2015 certification.
I started this institution in 1998. There was no school here even for my son's class 1 admission. I started the institution with a CBSE pattern, and today whatever we have achieved, that is our hard work. I am aware without the support of the parents and the society it is not possible.
मेरे बच्चे सन 2000 से सेंट एडम्स गरुड़ में पढ़ रहे हैं। बच्चों की ऑल ओवर ग्रोथ और पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट के लिए ये स्कूल का जो एक लाइट एटमॉस्फेयर है, सुटेबल है। मैं इस स्कूल के उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करता हूँ।
We are a caring community where students need a priority, where traditional Indian and modern education values are respected and encouraged to coexist. St. Adam's Public School, Ayar Toli campus, situated in a peaceful area, is one of the premier upcoming large area school campus in district Bageshwar, from where all the villages towns are well connected. The new campus is designed and planned with a team of expert engineers and architects and has over 20,000 square feet constructed area.
After successful journey in Garud, now we have come up with the new infrastructure in Ayar Toli that is completely state-of-the-art infrastructure where we have all the facilities including the sports, and also we are going to build up the new infrastructure there that will enhance us. And finally I can say it is going to be an asset not only for the local but also for the society at a large from the surrounding areas also.
Uttarakhand, the land of the gods, is famous for numerous temples and pilgrimage centers found throughout the state. Distance from famous Baijnath temple is 2 kilometers only. St. Adam's Public School believes in ideology of empowering young minds with consciousness for academics, culture, heritage, society, and high order of discipline. Theories and concepts are well understood by performing scientific experiments on their own at our science and robotic laboratories. At St. Adam's, we develop the students to think independently and develop their own dreams.
When I joined Adams as a KG student, I had never thought that 3D printers and robotics will become my interest area. I am proud to say that Adams provided me the best platform to learn and make unique projects in ATL with my fellow friends.
Everything is wonderful in St. Adams. Public speaking enhances and nurtures everyone's personality here. Board exams' roll of merit is always on the top, which is really great to feel. I am sure we will maintain this trend year after year, and Adams will always rise and reach new heights to its reputation.
Founded in 1998 by Javed Siddiqui, a former engineer in Indian Naval Aviation, had an enthusiasm to start this institution with a humble beginning with 10 students and today the school has grown to its reputation. St. Adam's Public School embarks its impeccable audacity of more than 2 decades with a vision of imparting education, knowledge and values in children, who are the future of our country under the leadership of Principal Razia Siddiqui, with over 30 years of experience in education field.
Being HOD of this organization, my first and the top priority is always to know the child not only by their name but by their academic performance, discipline, coordination with parents, conducive atmosphere of the school. That always remains my aim to enhance the education of Adams. With the depth of my heart, I'm really thankful to the Society of Garud, those who have given me the cooperation to bring Adams to the present height.
St. Adam Public School has over 2 acres of lush green campus with all the new premises that has Wi-Fi, 24 hours internet connectivity in the premises, spacious and airy classrooms. Separate hostel for boys and girls is in the agenda with school. Each classroom is equipped with smart classes connected with server, well-equipped state-of-the-art science and robotics laboratories, workshops, libraries and classrooms, students to explore their practical knowledge of what they have learned in the class. The school has first robotics laboratory of district Bageshwar to further strengthen education on science and artificial intelligence. St. Adam's Public School is renowned for giving excellent academics results since 2006, with its number of students marking their presence in various premier institutes of India and internationally. The school has relentlessly been able to give impeccable results because it focuses on holistic development of students through specially prepared result-oriented curriculum that focuses on life skill education, brainstorming, group discussion, presentation, and field trips.
Teaching science here for over 10 years has been a wonderful experience.
As a vice principal, academic discipline, team hard work, and the wonderful coordination with principal and management has been the backbone of St. Adam's success.
My last 8 years made me a good learner also.
विगत 1 दशक से सेंट एडम पब्लिक स्कूल गरुड़ में हिंदी विभाग में अपना योगदान दे रही हूँ।
आते हैं यहाँ अनगढ़ से, लेकिन इस तरह तराश दिए जाते हैं कि हीरा बनके यहाँ से जाते हैं।
Each year, a different milestone is achieved in CBSE board examination results. Dedicated and hard-working qualified staff members are always there to deliver their best.
1,000 kilometers away from home, yet I feel so comfortable here. Management are seriously concerned about the comfort and well-being of the faculty from outside.
The school focuses not only on imparting academics, but also giving equal importance on extracurricular activities. Regular inter-house competitions are conducted. Moreover, special emphasis is laid over personality development and sports, as each student seeks a particular sports domain in the beginning of academic year. In campus, security is the priority. CCTV and school transport with GPS run all across the villages. Moreover, fire and natural disaster evacuation drills are performed regularly. Our school also invites the renowned dignitaries from various fields in order to have good interaction with the industrial people.
I think Adams is the best, and this I thank to all my teachers and friends.
The events that I take part in Adams helped me grow my confidence level.
I, a lean and thin boy. My parents always worried towards my health. But St. Adams nurtured me and I grew as the fastest sprinter of the state and a footballer too. This is the motivation by St. Adams.
There are great facilities and a friendly atmosphere.
We are proud to be a student of St. Adams.